Imagine a world hidden beneath the waves, a world where ancient cities lie in silence, lost in darkness, guarded by the deep blue sea. For centuries, we have looked to the stars, searching for other civilizations. But what if some of the greatest secrets of humanity are not in the sky above us, but right here on Earth, buried beneath billions of tons of water, waiting to be discovered? Welcome to our deep dive documentary. Today, we explore 10 lost civilizations and ancient cities that were swallowed by the ocean. From the legendary Atlantis to real underwater ruins, hidden for thousands of years. These are stories of power, of mystery, and of destruction. So stay with us as we uncover the secrets of the sunken world. We begin with the most famous lost city of all, Atlantis, first described by the philosopher Plato over 2,000 years ago. He told of a powerful empire, an advanced civilization that existed 9,000 years before his time, a land of wealth, technology, and unmatched power. But in a single day and a single night, everything changed. A great disaster struck, and Atlantis was swallowed by the sea, gone forever. Many believe it was only a myth, a story, meant to teach a lesson, but others are not so sure. Some researchers point to a mysterious formation in Africa, known as the Eye of the Sahara, a massive circular structure that bears a striking resemblance to Plato's description. Coincidence or evidence of something long forgotten? If Atlantis was real, then one question remains. What happened to its people? In 1986, off the coast of Yonaguni Island, in Japan, a diver made a discovery that shocked the world. Deep beneath the water, he found something incredible, a massive structure carved into the seabed, a pyramid-like formation, resting 25 meters underwater. Today, it is known as the Yonaguni Monument. What makes it so mysterious are its features: sharp edges, perfect 90-degree angles, flat terraces, and shapes that resemble staircases and corridors. It looks almost artificial, almost designed. But scientists are divided. Some say it is a natural rock formation, shaped by the ocean over time. Others believe it could be the remains of an ancient civilization, one that existed over 10,000 years ago, before the end of the last ice age. If that is true, it would change everything we know about human history. Part 4. The Lost City of Heracleion, Egypt. 2 minutes. For centuries, the city of Heracleion was nothing more than a legend, a story whispered in ancient texts. Greek historians described a grand port city at the mouth of the Nile, a place where merchants traded gold, spices, and exotic goods. But for thousands of years, no one could find it. Until the year 2000, off the coast of Egypt, underwater archaeologists made a stunning discovery: a massive city buried beneath 10 meters of water, gigantic statues, temple ruins, and hundreds of ancient anchors scattered across the seabed. This was Heracleion, once a thriving center of trade and culture. It slowly sank due to earthquakes, rising sea levels, and unstable ground beneath it. Today, it is one of the greatest underwater discoveries ever made, a reminder that even the most powerful cities can disappear without a trace. Part 5. Pavlopetri, the oldest submerged city in the world. 2 minutes. Beneath the shallow waters of Greece lies a city older than the pyramids. Its name is Pavlopetri. Discovered in 1967, this ancient city is over 5,000 years old. And what makes it extraordinary is how well it has survived. Entire streets, houses, courtyards, and even tombs are still visible on the ocean floor, almost untouched. Using modern 3D scanning, scientists have reconstructed the city in incredible detail, revealing something remarkable: a society with planning, structure, and design. But then, something happened. Most experts believe a series of earthquakes slowly dragged the city into the sea. Pavlopetri is not just ruins. It is a snapshot of everyday life from a world long gone. Part 6. The Bimini Road, Mystery of the Bahamas. 2 minutes. in the clear blue waters of the Bahamas, lies a mystery that has puzzled scientists for decades. The Bimini Road. At first glance, it looks man-made, huge stone blocks, perfectly aligned, stretching into the distance, like an ancient road, lost beneath the sea. Some believe this is proof of Atlantis. Others say it is nothing more than a natural formation. But the precision raises questions. Too straight, too structured, too deliberate. So what is it? An ancient construction from a forgotten civilization? Or simply nature playing tricks on our eyes? For now, the ocean keeps its secret. Part 7. The sunken city of Shucheng, China. 2 minutes. Not all lost cities were destroyed by nature. Some were sacrificed. In 1959, the ancient city of Shucheng was intentionally flooded. To make way for a massive dam, a lake was created, and the entire city disappeared beneath the water. But something unexpected happened. Instead of being destroyed, Shucheng was preserved perfectly. Today, divers can explore its streets, its temples, its ancient gateways, all resting quietly. 40 meters underwater, carvings remain sharp, details remain clear. Time stands still. It is not a ruin. It is a time capsule, hidden beneath the surface. Part 8. Port Royal. The wickedest city on Earth. 2 minutes. Once, Port Royal was known as the wickedest city on Earth, a place of pirates, treasure, and chaos. In the 1600s, it was one of the richest cities in the Caribbean. But everything changed. On June 7, 1692, without warning, a massive earthquake struck. The ground beneath the city turned to liquid. Buildings collapsed. The streets sank. And within minutes, much of the city slipped into the sea. Thousands were lost. Today, the remains of Port Royal rest beneath the water, preserved in silence. A frozen moment of disaster, a reminder of how quickly everything can end. Part 9. Baiai roams underwater Las Vegas. 2 minutes. Long ago, Baiai was a paradise, a playground for the Roman elite, filled with luxury villas, bathhouses, and endless indulgence. The rich and powerful came here to escape reality, but beneath its beauty, danger was growing. The land itself was unstable. Slowly, year by year, the ground began to sink, and Baiai slipped beneath the sea. Today, it lives on as an underwater city. Divers swim through ancient streets, past statues and broken columns, a lost world of luxury and excess, frozen beneath the waves. Part 10. The Gulf of Cambay Mystery. 2 minutes. In 2001, scientists made a discovery that could change history. Deep in the Gulf of Cambay, they detected something unusual. Using sonar, they mapped patterns that looked like a city. Grids, lines, structures, too organized to ignore. Further exploration revealed possible walls, roads, even building foundations. Artifacts were recovered, and the dating results were shocking. Over 9,000 years old, older than known civilizations in the region. If true, this changes everything. But not everyone agrees. Some say the evidence is flawed. Others believe it may not be man-made at all. So the mystery remains, waiting beneath the water. Ending 1.5 minutes. Beneath the ocean, history sleeps, hidden, silent, waiting. These lost cities are more than ruins. They are warnings, stories of greatness and collapse, proof that no civilization lasts forever. But one question remains: how many more are still out there, lost beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe and join us again as we explore the unknown, because sometimes the greatest mysteries are not above us, But below, in the deep, dark ocean,